Welcome. If you want to get a live fluid wallpaper on your Vodafone Smart Platinum 7, at the first you have to go for the Play Store and we have to download application name Magic Fluids, free simulation and live wallpaper. It's from the Mad Scientist. So if you download this application, you can right now simply open it. And here's the preview how it looks. Then click here to set as a live wallpaper and move to the settings, and we can choose different themes of this wallpaper, and I will show you my favorite. It's this one. So click yes, and then just go back and click to set wallpaper. And when you go for the home screen right now, you can see it here. It looks really nice and it just pops on the screen automatically. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!